Those departments that could best articulate the way that the technology was going to change the way that teaching and learning occurred in the classroom, those were the programs that were selected. From that, we decided that it would be really wonderful if this project was not a top-down, but really something that was part and parcel of the people who were involved. So when we really began the laptop project, we realized how important it was for the faculty to be prepared to use the laptops. And we knew that the absolute worst thing to do would be to give the faculty and the students the laptops in the same day. So we understood that in order to be effective, our faculty needed time to consider how they might change their teaching to make use of that terrific power. So what we did is we gave the laptops to the faculty 1 full year before we required students to bring the laptops to the classroom. And the reason that we did that is that we wanted them to be effective users of that technology. We wanted them to practice and feel confident. And we were so incredibly grateful for them, for their courage to be the best that they can be and to change their teaching practice.
What we've done at the college level is taken the money that we've saved from not having to have as many general labs. We went from 6 labs to 3 and invested that money in personnel and high-end equipment that the students can't afford to buy, better access to the internet in certain locations, very, very high speed, disk space for the students to operate. So it went back into supporting the students in every way we can. We also took some of those surplus funds that we realized by not having such a heavy investment in technology in labs, and developed a freshman class. That is one of the most important things. The freshmen come with these computers. You have 500 freshmen every year in this building, and they don't know what to do with them. So we have a freshman class day 1. They learn how to get onto the network. They learn how to configure their wireless. They learn how to access DAP space. They learn how to install software, and that's all taught. It's a 2-quarter sequence right now, and it's cross-college, every discipline, every freshman in this building takes that.
From an IT perspective, again, we got the whole team together, and then we invited the other departments that also had less IT-related, but still part of the deployment responsibilities together. And that was very helpful, from our shipping and receiving to the people who were actually purchasing, and created a workflow. We even did a branding initiative, which was very helpful. So we wanted people to get excited about the project, and we called it Project Launchbox. We have this great little logo where students are launching their careers with their laptops. And the first rollout that we had was completely seamless. The first time that the students ever opened up their laptops, they were able to hook into our network, and we were able to establish their accounts. Then immediately being able to get them onto the wireless technology. We rehearsed with instructors as far as their presentation and the orientation. We customized a small education package so that the students on the very first day not only got their laptop, but they were oriented. They were able to set up their accounts. They were able to access our wireless network. And when they left, they were just ready to go. And that worked beautifully. From an IT perspective, everything just got easier. Instead of dealing with multiple laptops, multiple operating systems, multiple applications, and trying to support the students, which we want to be able to enable to create and support with their own laptops, all that just went away. It got simple on day 1.